Hello, welcome to Kusina di Marites. Let's cook and let's make a homemade pizza. At first, we'll make the pizza dough. Here's are the ingredients: all-purpose flour or extra virgin oil or any virgin oil, white sugar, dried yeast, and warm water and salt. We need 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and salt, 1 teaspoon, and mix it all together and make a well. And then put the warm water into the center and add the olive oil of 2 tablespoons and the white sugar of 2 teaspoons. And now the 1 teaspoon of dried yeast. Mix it all together until all the ingredients are combined, and we will make a dough. We incorporate all the flour, and to make it, and we need to knead the dough for 15 minutes until the dough is still not sticky on your hands. And let it rest for about 45 minutes to 1 hour in a greased big bowl and cover it. It's so simple to make a pizza dough from scratch. At least you know that it's fresh when you're making your pizza at home. Napakadali lang, kayang-kaya niyong gawin. Kung meron naman kayong stand mixer, hayaan nyo na lang si stand mixer mag-knead and then let it rest lang. Pero this is the manual making pizza dough. And now, choose your toppings. Make your own toppings. What's available in your fridge or your pantry? What I have is the Hungarian sausage, which is given by my brother, and sweet ham, and mushrooms, button mushrooms sliced, bell pepper, green and red bell pepper. We love pizza, in this family, because our love story started with a pizza. I was working student during my college at Shakey's. That's where I met my husband. That's why we love pizza every now and then. So it's too expensive to ask for delivery, home delivery pizza. That's why I search and discover how to make a homemade pizza. And just slice and circle all your Hungarian sausage, or if you have Italian sausage, whatever you have, and also triangular shape for the ham and ring shape for the white onion. I use quick melt in this pizza because I don't have mozzarella and it's too expensive. Maybe I will search for how to make mozzarella next time, so that from the scratch I can make my own mozzarella with my pizza on my pizza. And also make a circle, a ring shape for the bell pepper so that it would like appealing and nice to look at your pizza, and as well as the red bell pepper. Just a simple homemade pizza and delicious. And I make also my own pizza sauce. It's a simple way. Keep on watching, you will see how I made my pizza sauce in very simple way. Don't forget to remove all the seeds of the bell pepper. You don't need that. And if you find this video helpful, interesting, don't forget to click the subscribe button and like and share to your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel, Cocina de Marites. In my pizza sauce, I need garlic. I chop the garlic and also chop the onion, and I use tomato sauce, 1 pack of tomato sauce for 200 grams for 1 pizza dough for 12 inches round. And also we need oregano powder. If you have basil powder or basil leaves, it's also, we need that, but I don't have basil leaves. It's okay that I have oregano powder, and of course the ground pepper. So now heat the saucepan with cooking oil and saute the onion and the garlic and until translucent, and then just add the tomato sauce, whatever brand that tomato sauce you have. What I have right now here is the Filipino style Del Monte tomato sauce. As you all know, Filipino side taste, it's a little bit sweet, but if you choose other tomato sauce brand, it's a little bit maasim. Ayan. I put the oregano powder and mix it all together. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes at least. Make sure that the tomatoes is cooked already, and set this aside. When the dough is ready, I make the pizza sauce while waiting for the dough to rest and rise, and prepare this pizza sauce as well as the pizza toppings. It's so easy to make the pizza. The first time I made the homemade pizza was 2013, and I used also quick melt from other brand from New Zealand, and now this is a local Magnolia quick melt. And now the pizza dough is ready. And you just roll it and make a 12 inches round diameter. And don't forget your pizza pan to grease so that the pizza dough will not stick on it. And this is my 12 inches round pizza pan. And also make sure the edges will be on the edges of the pizza pan. And in a pizza parlor you call it pizza makeup, when you put the toppings. And this is how I put all the pizza sauce that I cooked a while ago. And this is the sequence of putting the toppings. Pizza sauce first, then grated cheese, and then ham. After the ham, we put all the circular shaped vegetables. Napakadali lang at napakasarap. To make it thin, to make it crispy, the crust will be crispy, and bake this at 285 degrees Celsius. I'm using Elba. This is my temperature in Elba oven. In other oven, I think it's 280. And after put all the toppings, the last toppings that you put also is the cheese again. So you bake this about 18 minutes because it's 285 degrees. The gas mark is 10 and in Fahrenheit it's 546. In Elba, I don't know how much temperature in the other oven. And this is it. Homemade pizza. Don't forget to like and share this video, and thank you for watching. Enjoy the pizza and happy baking and happy eating. Bye. Keep safe. And God bless.